Hey folks, happy 4th of July. Today we're going to be going ahead and making one of my signature dishes. This is my own personal recipe. I hope you like this. This is a good dessert to share with everyone. So let's get started. Okay, so this dish is called the Black Death Cobbler. It's a very, very simple recipe. So we're just going to go ahead and get started. And start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees. Next, take some buttered spray or Pam or something like that. Then just go ahead and spray our container or Pyrex container. Next, we're going to take, this is called Very Cherry, but you can use any sort of tart cherry pie filling. Do not use sweet cherries in this recipe because the tartness will kind of blend in with the sweetness of the other stuff. So just go ahead and pour this out. Next, we're going to take some raspberry pie filling. Generally, this recipe calls for blackberries, but I didn't have that today, so we're just going to use raspberry today. And go ahead and add that to our cherry pie filling. Take a wooden spoon or a plastic or rubber spatula and just go ahead and mix these, combine these well. Go ahead and add some Devil's Food chocolate cake mix to a bowl. Here's where things get a little bit fun. To our Devil's Food chocolate cake mix, we're going to add one container, or about 12 ounces, fluid ounces, of IBC black cherry soda. It will be foamy, but don't worry about that. You know that same spoon we used for the mixture? We're going to use that for our cake mix. So just go ahead and whisk and stir this around until it's completely smooth. Now, once our chocolate cake mixture doesn't have any lumps in it, we're going to go ahead and add it to the pie mixture. Just go ahead and kind of evenly distribute it. As best as you can. We're going to take some semi-sweet chocolate chips and just sprinkle those on top. Okay, so we're going to add this to our 350 degree oven for about 45 to 50 minutes until we put a toothpick in there and the cake comes out clean. Well folks, it's been probably a little bit closer to probably about 90 minutes or so. But it is done, so let's go ahead and see what this looks like. Oh my gosh, just the scent off of this. Oh my gosh, folks. Ho, 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 ho. Now, I won't have any tonight, but I can guarantee you that is some of the best damn cobbler you'll ever have in your life. So, if you want to see more from me, go ahead and give me a like, comment where you're from, what you would like to see more of, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and until then, you have a happy 4th. Take care, folks.